Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool 48 by 24 gaming desk that I think that it could be for anything. It could be for home office. It could be for just productivity, editing, or anything you want. But I think that gamers, I'm a gamer myself. You can see my setup right here. I think that gamers are going to be super happy with this one. As you can see over here, this is my setup, but I'm in the process of building a streaming setup, which is going to be something different that it's not going to be over here. So I'm trying to build something different in another side of the room of my office over here. So this one came to just like the perfect moment and the perfect place, and I think it's fantastic. I'm going to show it to you on a close-up in a few seconds with all the features, but a couple of things that I do like about this one. Number one, the carbon fiber over here. Like the whole surface is carbon fiber, so that to me speaks gaming. Carbon fiber, it is super nice and it looks super cool. Also, it comes with a remote controller that I'm going to show you why it comes with this remote controller in a close-up in a few seconds. Of course, you can have a hint right here. It comes with RGB lights on the sides, and also the assembly process. Let's talk about the assembly process. I did this desk with my wife. We assembled together, and it was 25 minutes tops, no more than that. So if you're just by yourself, you can do it totally. It's gonna take you 35 minutes with power tools or 40 minutes with power tools, no more than that. It is really easy to assemble, and everything comes explained right here with this instruction manuals. But before I showed it to you on a close-up, there's something else that I want to show you. So I just switched to a wider angle so you can see it better. But right now you can see that I'm sitting over here comfortably, perfectly like a regular desk, and I can put all my screens over here. By the way, I think this one is good for screens up to, I want to say like 32 inches. If you have 32 inches, you can put 2. If you have 27, you can put 3. If you have a super big curved monitor like this one, a 49 inches, you can put 1. But this one is really good for that. So right here on the right, you're going to find a panel with controls that you're going to actually be able to change the height. So right now I'm sitting at 28 inches tall. That's the regular position. I can just manually press this button over here and keep pressing it. And I can stop whenever I want, just like right here at 32 inches. Or I can just push the one that do it by itself. This one is going to go to the sitting position 28 inches by itself. I don't have to do anything else. Or I can just push this one, which is going to take me to the standing position, which is 48 inches tall. I think this one is great for having like a meeting, for example, and just like having eye level contact while standing and changing positions to kind of like avoid sitting all day. I think that's really good to have. So I'm a 48, 46, 47.2. It's not 48, it's 47.2. This desk is fantastic. So I love the fact that it comes right here with cable management. Right now, I have the RGB lights plugged into my power bank, but of course, you're gonna actually use it this USB cable to plug it to your computer, for example, or a power outlet, and not a power bank. But just for the demonstration purposes, I have it plugged right there on my power bank. But having this cable management over here, it is really good, and that's another thing that to me speaks about gaming. Here you're going to take a closer look right here to the carbon fiber I was just showing you before. And this line over here dividing the two panels is not going to bother you at all because it's really smooth. So don't worry about that. But as you can see, the carbon fiber looks really good. It is awesome that also comes with this right here with 2 of these hangers for your headphones, your backpack, your purse. So personally, I think these are super good to hang your headphones, for example, your headsets. So that's really good. It comes with 2 of them, one on this side and one on the other side. But of course, I turn off the light so you can see this better. One of the best aspects of this desk over here are the RGB lights. So the RGB lights, you can control them with a remote controller over here. And just for example, keep changing the color, as you can see over here. Super nice and easy. You don't have to get crazy or something like that. Again, this is going to be plugged to your computer or a power outlet, but you can actually kind of like change the modes, as you can see over here, have them in like a rainbow or something like that, or have them in a cycling mode and kind of like change the speed, change the color, dim the lights if you want, because you can actually dim them. You can put a timer as well. But one of the best things is right here. So let me see if I can do it right now. Okay, right now it's in music mode. Music mode, it tells you that it comes with a microphone over there. So whenever it hits music or something like that, let's just make a test. You can see that the response to my clapping, it is fantastic. tick. I think this is super, super good. And you can change the mode as well. You can change the volume as well. And also kind of like have the timer over here. You can see that I just switch the volume a little bit, kind of like now it's picking up my voice, not only the clapping. So it's picking up my voice, which I think it's super good. I'm going to turn it off right now and just go back to the regular color over here, which I think the white one is super, super good. So the RGB lights, the carbon fiber, the adjustable height from 28 inches to 47 inches, the hangers for your headphones, and of course the cable management with the USB cable, and of course the metal frame and the assembly process, which is super easy. I think that makes this desk a really, really good one for gamers. 48 inches wide, this is super long for a really nice setup. And of course, I do dig the carbon fiber over here. I like it. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.